So this is a similar question to the previous problem. So here don't get psyched up or anything like that, because instead of placing this down, they have just taken the dimensions to like upside down. See, HP is here and VP is here. Usually HP comes above and VP comes VP HP. Sorry. So, oh, actually it's HP above and VP below. Okay. So they have taken in the sense like wrong, because in the textbook itself, if you check it, so usually HP is above and VP is below. So where is the question? Problem number 3. So this is not that different. So you just have to, like, it's a similar problem with the problem 2 and the problem 3 are both same, but different dimensions and angles. That's it, nothing else. Just a second, I'll just confirm. Okay, so VP is above and HP is below. Sorry, so my bad. So VP comes above. So we'll just draw it. Do it. So it is 25, right? See, what we have to know. 25 mm side rests on its corner. Okay, they didn't say particular corner, so we can take any corner. Median crossing the corner on which it rests. So it's inclined 30° to HP and 45° to VP. So median is inclined to, what to say, 45°. Okay, so median or side both inclined to, like, the thing is not that different. So now we have to draw the projection 30 to HP and 45 to VP. Okay, so let's go to the CAD software and do it. As you can see, this was the previous problem. Now we'll move to the problem number 3. And like always, you have to draw a XY line which is 0.15 mm. Hit enter. Select any place. I'll just take this much. Okay. Okay, so the type I have to, like, set it here like this. Escape. I'll type this again. Tap it again and make it like this. Okay. Then I have to draw this. Select the style as 0.4. These are visible edges. So they say it rests on the corner. So instead of drawing like this and all, I'll just draw from here. Say it was 25, right? So I'll tap 25. Hit enter. Oh, I think I have zoomed in now. Then 25 mm. Right? It's taking in mm. Yeah, 25 mm. So I'll just move it. Okay, like the copy is on. I'll turn off the copy. Escape. So I have to draw the projections. Before I draw the projections, I'll just draw this line here because it is a visible edge, right? So now I'll change it to 0.05. Hit enter. The dimensions might differ. Okay, so just cross check once before you do it. And this was our median, right? So then I have to do the naming for this. So here, so it shouldn't be 1. I'll take 0.3. That's better for this set of places. So here let's say A, B, C, D1. So here is just A dash. So here it is B dash. In the bracket I'll put C dash. Okay, and let us also put D1 dash in the bracket just to be on the safer side. D1 dash. Done. I'll put escape. I know it's not looking that neat, so I'll just, what to say, replace it properly. So now see, I'm not putting exactly here. I'll just put it a bit below, and see also I should take either up or down. So I'll take it down just for it to look neat. So here I can keep however I want. That's not a problem. But since I have to place D also, I'll keep it like this. And here, so that's very neat and done. Now what they have said, it's inclined 30 degrees for HP. So I'll just move it with the copy thing on. Move from this point. I'll place it here. Then I'll have to rotate it. Select this line, rotate from this side. I have to rotate it and hit enter 30. Hit. Okay, done. Then I have to draw the projections. See, it's 0.05. So from here, this is the A1. So I won't draw till here. Why? I'll just draw till here. Then this is the corner side, right? So like this. Okay. Then okay, all done. So I have to draw the projections from here also as well. C to C, B to B, and from A to A, D to D. Then I'll draw a visible edges point to enter. So my A. There is a different and slight difference. Then I just have to use this copy and move it. So I'll just pause and skip this. Okay. So I just I gave the names. So here D1, D2. So now what I have to take a line, as it said it has to be. So I'll keep it. I don't think that much is required. So I just have to put. So I'll keep somewhere like this, and type 40 as a length and minus 45 degree. Then what I have to do, like I said, first let me split this because I want the exact length of this, and also I'll split this because I want the exact length. So I'll hit escape. Now you can see this length is 21.651 again. So first what I will do, I'll just copy this. Okay, move. Okay, okay. Then I'll turn off the copy thing. I'll move this line from this place. Array. Okay, so I'm not moving it right now. I'll put it on the line, somewhere on the line. Let me take from this angle. Okay, then I'll select to rotate it. Okay, so in your done. Now what I have to do, arc by center point from here. Okay, hit escape. Why is it okay? So it's just showing us like that. Okay, so arc by center point. Then shall I delete this thing? I have to trim the edges, right? Trim, trim. If I trim, it will take the whole line. No, it's not taking. Okay, escape. So now, as you can see, I have to like I told, I have to put a chained line, right? So I'll select this chained line, this kind of, or shall I take this? Yeah, this is good, I guess. Exactly on the arc. Okay. If I zoom in, see, I have to take from here. Okay. So like this. Sorry for this. I'll just now I'll just zoom it out. See, I'll put here. I don't think I require in the right place. Then what I have to do again, I have to take. I'll hit escape. What's the length of this? 18.750. So 18.75. Arc by center point. Select this edge. 18.75. Hit enter. Wherever it cuts. Okay. I'll zoom it. See, you don't have to go and cut here. That's not correct. So I'll just cut from here. Okay. Escape. Now select line. The type of line I need is a normal line. 0.05. Now I have to zoom in. Select the intersection point and I have to take it till here. Okay, then I'll use this extend to next feature, put it like this. Done. Escape over, bro. That's it. See, it was very easy, right? So now, okay, now what you have to do, select this move on the copy thing, uh, copy this whole thing where the median was moving, right? So this will go. Array, where is it going? Point. I have to zoom it and I mean zoom in, right? Okay. If it's just little kind of hectic. Okay, rotate. So for rotating, I won't take all the things to rotate. I'll just take the triangle to rotate. So it's also rotating the arc. Huh? Okay, that's not a good thing actually. I'll shall I select like this? Rotate, copy is off, so I can do like this. Huh, median. Just the median, I'll set the median. On this thing, done. I just move, copy off, it's moving, right? So the D2 is here. B should be here, right? C should be here, right? And copy on. D1 should come here, right? Over. Now go to line 0.05. Yes, I have to do the projections. So this looks a little kind of how to say. If you do zoom in, it will become straight, I guess, or whatever. So I think this line is not completely. Anyway, so is there any mistake here? No. Okay, is there any mistake here? Am I? No, no, I have not made any mistake. So projections from A to array. Control Z, that was a wrong line. From A 90 degree. From B to B, C to C, and D2 is not required. Fine. So let us get done with it quickly. So now I have to draw the visible edges. That's point 4. So see, if there are like minute mistakes or anything, just ignore it. Okay. Interesting, correct. So sometimes it doesn't give that like, actual straight line. It happens, maybe because of the thickness or something. We'll just ignore that for our time being. So move. So this is my A dash. Then I will have to type C dash and what to say other things. Array. I made a mistake, I guess. A B C. Oh, it's resting on the corner, right? So this line escape. It's wrong actually. Sorry. B to C, C to A. So it's resting on the corner. So obviously it will be on the corner. My bad. Escape. Type it. I was wondering the same. Like why did I accidentally over there? So this is my C dash and this is my B dash. Okay, oh, it's in caps. Sorry for that. So here you have to put Y. Here it is X and HPVP. Then I have to give smart dimension. Then I have to give the angle also. I'll do like this. Then okay, sorry. Array. Okay, I have to select it or what? 45. Then this 55. There that should be beta, and that's it. All the things are like we have been explained, and that completes your sum.